everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is officially day 2 on my spring break. Today is Tuesday. I have a lot planned to do today, so hopefully everything goes as planned. And I thought it'd be cool if I vlog today since it's spring break, so why not? So keep watching. So just left IHOP. I didn't record what I got at IHOP only because I can't eat pancakes, and today was National Free Pancake Day, so I didn't get pancakes. I just got hash browns and shrimp, and I know that's a really weird combo, but I was hungry, so it was really good. So I'm at Walmart now. I'm about to get some, I'm sorry, I'm so thirsty. About to get some groceries for the house, and then after this, who knows, but I do plan on going to the Trap Museum later on tonight. Maybe go get some food again before that, and yeah, just chill today. So I cannot get over how crusty I look. Like, this is bad. I usually do not look this crusty, but it's gonna change later today. So just getting groceries right now. So I feel like I'm shopping like a chicken with their head cut off, because although I made a list, I am not sticking to it at all. Like, just picking up a whole bunch of random stuff in Walmart. I don't even know why I'm in the clothes section, but I am. So I'm just getting back from Walmart, and I got a lot of groceries. When I mean a lot of groceries, I got a lot of groceries. But this is for the week, so hopefully I don't gotta buy food while I'm going out or anything like that. I'll just come home, cook me a good meal before I go out, so I don't have to spend money. But yeah, let me show you everything I got, because I got so much stuff. Got some cereal, some fruits, vegetables, just really everything. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all set. Don't gotta buy a thing. So even though I didn't do anything, I didn't do much today, I just went out to eat and went grocery shopping. I'm pooped. Like, I'm not really pooped. I just came back to chill a little bit. I probably will go, I don't know, to a bar or something before I plan on going to the Trap Museum later tonight. I'm also gonna change my clothes, put on some makeup, because my skin is breaking out a little bit. I wanna, you know, look cute or whatever while I'm going to the museum. So I want to chill for a bit, maybe watch a movie. I'm trying to catch up on all the Marvel movies. I'm literally starting from the first movie, which was Iron Man. So I'm about to watch Iron Man 2, chill a little bit, and then get started with the rest of my day. Alright, I'm about to start getting ready. I'm about to do my makeup first, of course. Always gotta do my makeup first. And then, yeah, gonna get ready to go to the Trap Museum. I just ate, so don't mind my bloating. It's kind of big, but that's what I get for wearing a crop top. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. Maybe some curls, you know, some slights. I just got my closure tightened yesterday. I'm not really feeling it. It looks kind of weird to me. There's like a black little dot right here. Don't know what that's for, but I'm gonna cover it up with makeup so no one can see it, but yeah. My face was already washed and moisturized, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, just about to beat my face or whatever. I don't know why I just put my foundation on this hand, because this is the hand I apply my makeup with. What was I thinking? I'm gonna need some more foundation than that, because that did not cover my face at all. I just ate, but I'm still got the six-pack going on. Gotta show you from a distance. I want y'all to get too close and see that it's all rolled. I'm so bloated. Cheers. Once again, sorry, this lighting is terrible. Make sure you hit them with a prenup. Then tell them that they ease up. I got the drink and we going back to back. They going back to back. Let's have her again. Not even when she tell them that they best friends. Not even when you say it. Into my brow. on a Tuesday. Okay, face is done. It looks really good, but it looks good. You just can't tell in this lighting, but face is beat to the gods. Is beat. So, about to do my hair and then get dressed, and then I'm about to leave. See what this museum's talking about. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, I think I just burned the I just burned my hand. Oh my god, that hurt like hell. Shoot. Cheers. Okay, so this is the fit. I'm just wearing these white and black striped pants. Got from Boohoo, and I'm wearing a backless bodysuit. Probably got it from Boohoo as well. This is what the face is looking like. My hair, I curled it, but like already my curls are falling. I'm not sure why.
Come on, son. Work that pussy. Work that pussy, baby. Work it, so be like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So I went out to V-Live tonight. It was low-key lit or whatever. Was just trying to, you know, enjoy the night. And yeah, I'm home early, about to go to bed. Long day, so yeah, be out here. I'll show you guys what I do tomorrow. And yeah, keep watching. And this is the end of Tuesday night. I'm about to go to bed, take off my makeup. I have just peep the makeup, y'all. Like, this shit was nice. So I'm in Target now doing a little bathing suit shopping. Hopefully I can find some. I have a couple vacations planned out in a couple months, so want to get some bathing suits for that. So I'm just trying to find some cute suits, and if I do, I'll show you guys what those look like in the end. By the way, this is day 3 on spring break, so it's Wednesday. I don't really have much planned out today. I actually didn't go to the Trap Museum. As you guys can tell, yesterday the museum was actually closed when I got there, so I have to plan that out for another day because I already bought tickets. So I'm trying to either get a refund or me and my friends are going, you know, another day. So I decided to come home, whip up some lunch or whatever, making some spinach, zucchini, tofu, might have some avocado in there. Yeah, we'll have a nice lunch before I do what else. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day, but we'll figure it out. So this is the finished product of my lunch. A lot of greens going on. I wish I had a tomato for my tofu and avocado, but I don't. But yeah, this is my lunch. A bunch of greens. And I'm really hungry, so I'm about to go ahead and eat and just chill until later on tonight. Hey guys, so it's now officially Thursday. I'm a little spring break or whatever. I am at Timmy house. I don't really have much planned for today, but I'm gonna be making some new content for you guys, so new vids on the way. I didn't do a whole bunch of things yesterday either. I'm really just chilling on my break. But yeah, I'm like about to put on makeup soon and I can't wait because I have like all these dark spots and I just want to put on makeup so I can look like a baddie, okay? Period. About to make these new videos and then see what else I have planned for today, but probably not much, but ooh. So I know this lighting looks disgusting. I just did my makeup and this lighting is doing me no justice, but I'm here at Applebee's. I wanted to come for happy hour, but I did not make happy hour times, unfortunately. But I need some food. I just did a drunk get ready with me video that you guys will be seeing very soon, very shortly. But yeah, like, you know, Applebee's always has those like $1, $2 drink specials. So I'm gonna get one of those. I mean, maybe a couple of those, just keep the litness going, you know. So I'm about to get 2 of those, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I eat. The vlog eats first. A quick little bite to eat or whatever. I'm waiting for my best friend to hit me back up so we can, you know, make moves tonight. And yeah, just until then, I'm gonna eat this good old meal. You feel me? You know it's Hey guys! Hey! So I'm at my best friend's house. We're about to play Pictionary. Oh, yeah, just chill night.
We'll see you at the board.
Yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean?
When your doctor asks if you're sexually active, when you're on a first date and they start talking about horoscopes, when your only friend is busy. I know this is a hard decision.
Oh, yeah.
When your doctor asks if you're sexually active.
Bitch, please. It's alright. I'll take it. Good morning, guys. Well, it's officially Friday. The week is almost over. I'm really sad about it except to go back to school. But I just woke up. Like I said, it keeps looking like there's something on my chin, but it's the reflection of my necklace. So there's nothing white on my chin. Anyway, I have quite a bit planned out for today. I just woke up, made me some breakfast. I'm about to show you guys what I made, but I have like a little tofu spinach mix. I also made some hash browns and avocado and a little apple juice on the side, but I'll show you guys in a second what I made. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep you guys posted on what all I do today because today's gonna be eventful. Like I was saying, hash browns, avocado, and tofu. Got a little ketchup for my hash browns, some apple juice. Don't mind this dog over there. She wants to go outside. But yeah, this is my breakfast for the day, and
Might have a gun or something. I feel like
but I'm ready.
yeah, that's the only time
Cause she did.
I mean, what she get
I thought you was gonna pull it out.
So I'm here now at the Trap Museum in Atlanta, and this place is really dope. I'm about to show you everything it has to offer, but this place is really dope. Like all the decorations, the decor, everything is on point. So yeah, let's go ahead and give a little tour of the Trap Museum. So I'm back at my best friend's house. We just made another video.
Yes, we did.
So yeah, stay tuned and watch that video. We're about to go to a little party, a little shindig tonight.
Yes, we are.
And yeah, I'll show you guys how that goes. So stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, okay.
You
know what? The losers get this re-rack.
It's not the crowd down
The
here.
winners don't get this re-rack.
Cause he's a ball.
Thanks, buddy.
everybody, so that's it for my spring break vlog. I had a nice little break. I didn't do much. I just chilled at home. I got to spend with my friends, my family. So I really couldn't, you know, I really can't complain. I even got to go to the Trap Museum. I've been wanting to go to that for a long time, and that was pretty cool. So if you're ever in Atlanta, please stop by because it is really cool. I have like 2 more hours on the road left, so I'm back in school. I left really late. I usually like to leave like early in the morning when I head back to school, but I wasn't trying to get out of bed. I wasn't trying to drive for 7.5 hours. I just wasn't trying to do it. So I thought by avoiding my issue it would make it better, but it didn't. Who cares? I'm almost there at school. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys had a great spring break. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.